Types of Arsenal players, part 1. If you guys want a part 2, this video hasn't hit 10 likes. Okay. The toxic kid. Alright, I'm gonna get all these kills. Are you the stair? I'm going to get all these Arsenal kills. No matter the cause, boys. Well, I had a nice life. The Viber. Right, today is the best day for getting a win on our side. Not again. Why is there so many Vibers? Get out of my house. The spam shooter. Oh, gosh dang it. I just died. What in the world? This guy just wait. Okay, I'm gonna finish him. The chatter. Man, this game is so peaceful, man. We gotta have no. Wait, what the? What is this guy doing? This guy's spamming. Not in my watch. All right, you want to fight me, bro? Let's do it. Come on, let's dance. The spider. Man, this game is so peaceful. I'm glad that. Spider-Man does whatever a spider. What in the world? Holy crap! What the heck? I'm gonna have to put you down. The trick shotter. Alright, boys. Today we're gonna play some Roblox Arsenal. Nothing will happen. What the? Is this guy trying to trick shot me right now? Well, he's not doing anything. Okay, kind of put him down, boys. The knifer. Man, Arsenal's so peaceful, man. Alright, need to find some players, though. Bro, where the heck is everyone? I can't find anyone. Literally is the worst game. Man, I wish oh, what a noob. Man, this game is too easy. There's literally no possible. Oh, it's a noob. The eliminate trick shotter. The noob disguised as a tryhard. If this video took a lot of time to make, so please subscribe. We're almost at 500 subs. That is insane. Subscribe.